Hello guys, today I would like to introduce you the odometer blocker for 2024 Toyota CHR. I will install it with you, we will go through all the details, and I think you will be able to install it on your car yourself. So let's get started. The blocker should be installed behind the speedometer panel, in the place of the main cables. Therefore, first remove the plastic cover around the speedometer. Then with the help of this screwdriver, remove the 4 screws of the speedometer panel and the speedometer is removed. Then behind it we will see the main cables of the speedometer. We connect it to our blocker as follows. Connect the plug labeled black to the black head cable of the speedometer. And connect the plug with the inscription white to the white head cable of the speedometer. Connect the plugs of the other side of the blocker to the speedometer panel. By the way, the plugs are original and fit perfectly. If the blocker is successfully installed, we will see a red flashlight. Everything is in order. Now let's move on to activation and testing. We can activate easily by pulling the light control lever 4 times or more easily with our application directly from your smartphone. Search your app market for SKF Speed V2. After opening the app, give it access to Bluetooth and it will search for the odometer blocker. Found. Connect. Then give access to GPS to determine speed. From the settings, you can change kilometers to miles or vice versa. Then enter your vehicle's original mileage. In our case, it is 3,750 kilometers. You can also give the device any name. Switch to Bluetooth mode, and that's it. Let's choose mode 1 and start a test drive. Do you see the car's odometer does not count any kilometers? Actual mileage is recorded only in the application. That's all, guys. Wish you good luck. In case of any question, contact us on the website superkilometerfilter.com and let's be friends.